In this video, I'm going to expose, in my opinion, the best recirculating aquaculture system to help you produce your fish. And why is that even necessary to have recirculating aquaculture system? In fact, according to the Ghana National Aquaculture Development Plan, Ghana fish demand annually is about 1.3 million metric tons. And out of this, domestically, or in other words, Ghana fish farmers are only able to produce about 50% of this demand. The remaining 50% is being imported into the country. And there's a huge demand, or there's a huge supply gap. And what it means is that if we are up to stacks and we are producing our fish, we have high chances of making a lot of money in the industry. But why are we not even able to produce more and we import more? The reason is simple: water issues, water problems, water scarcity. This abnormalities is making a lot of people not to go into fish farming or kick out of fish farming. But in order to normalize the abnormalities, we have the recirculating aquaculture system, we simply call it RAS. This is made out of filtration system and aeration system. The filtration system takes out the waste of the fish in the pond, such as their feces, leftover feed, and other insoluble particles. Take it through into the filter, and then the filters take these insoluble particles, then the water gets filtered and returned back into the pond, and it is recycled that way. That's why I call it recirculating. The aeration system, in other hands, adds oxygen into the pond, breaking down the high ammonia and increasing the oxygen level in the pond, and that is making the fish to grow faster, healthier, and more importantly, you are not changing the water like the traditional method. Look, this is not theories. This is something that we have been using for years now, and we have set it out for people and they have been using it and it's working for them. And in fact, we have set it up for people, they came, we insert again, and then we set again. And it means that it is working for them. What are you waiting for? But to some people, to travel all the way to do it for them is costly. For instance, most of our audience are in Nigeria. To travel from Ghana to Nigeria to set up the RAS, in fact, it's going to cost a lot, especially comparing the Naira to the cedis. Not even that, even if you are closer, but learning it yourself and then getting the knowledge yourself. Keep that knowledge yourself. Use it to produce your fish. By setting up your RAS in your farm is paramount. Because I always believe the saying that if someone teaches you how to harvest fish, it's much better than him giving you fish. Because when he gives you fish and you finish eating that fish, you won't get fish again. But if you know how to harvest or how to catch your fish, then you can always go for fish. So, what about if I told you that the knowledge that we have, the way we have set it up for people, we have kept that into a comprehensive course where you can enroll in that course and it will teach you step by step everything that you need to know, both the theories and the practicals. In fact, almost all those who purchase the course are able to set up their own system, and except those who are not willing. And more importantly, after buying the course, we are always available to guide you if you have any challenge, to explain things more for you. This course is super affordable. In fact, it is uploaded on Gumroad, and on Gumroad is international platform. So the course is sold in dollars. Just click in the description, the link there to take you to the page. Then you need to put up your card details and make your pages. If I was selling it at $75 US, but as charitable as we are, and the fact that we want to help our colleagues grow their fish, we have given 30% discount to you. So you can still enjoy that 30% discount. And if you put the discount code FACO, instead of paying $75, you will now pay $52.50, and the cost will be totally yours. And if this method is cumbersome for you, then you can go by sending us a direct message on WhatsApp. Our contacts are also there in the description. Then we will do it through mobile money. And what it means is that if you do it through that route, we need to take out the cost in a different link and share that link with you, and you can have access to that. Preferably, we prefer that you go through the normal system, take in your card details, and make the purchase. But if you have difficulties, we will not deny you that opportunity. We can give you that opportunity. In fact, this is a golden opportunity, and I am not sure that the price is going to keep being the same. We are going to review it. And several people have purchased it, and it has worked for them. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Abdulaziz Issa. If you're interested in the course, comment interested, and I will keep in touch, or check in the description and sign out. Thank you so much, and I will see you there. Bye bye.